Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix technical error problem in 5 surveys. Having trouble with a technical error on 5 surveys, especially when cashing out after hitting the $5 mark? Here's a quick guide to help you fix it. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This often removes hidden glitches. Just head to your browser settings, clear the data, and restart before logging in again. Next, make sure your app is updated. If problem persists, uninstall and reinstall 5 surveys to eliminate any corrupted files. A strong internet connection is also key. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check for improvements. Disable any VPNs as they can block proper app functionality. And finally, try logging in from another device or browser to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. That's it. Simple, fast, and you'll be back earning in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.